Hey everyone, how's it going? So we've been having a lot of really good success with our Among Us surprise folds. The Among Us Imposter and the Among Us Godzilla surprise fold have been doing really well. So in honor of Shark Week, I thought it'd be fun to show you guys how to draw an Among Us Shark crewmate surprise fold. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our Among Us Shark crewmate skin surprise fold, we need to begin by folding our paper. So the first thing we want to do is take your paper and fold it in half like you're making a card. So we're just going to line up the corners. And we're just going to fold it like this. That way when you open it up, you have a card shape. Next, I'm going to take this and I'm going to fold down one flap down to the corners. So we're just going to fold it down and make a nice crease right across here. That way you can open it up like this, or you can open it up this way, your choice. Now, I'm going to have my paper like this to make my surprise fold. Now, to make my Among Us Shark crewmate surprise fold, the first thing we want to do is begin with the face shield. So I'm going to start right about here, really close to the fold, and we're going to make just like a nice curved line. So we're going to begin right here. And we're just going to draw a nice little curved line that goes up and around. Then we're just going to take this and we're going to bring it down and over to here. Now, starting right here, we're going to draw a line that's going to come up and it's going to go down to here. Then we'll make another little line that comes right down to the fold. Starting here, I'm going to draw a line, and I'm actually going to kind of curve this. Then I'm going to draw a little line that goes over, and it's going to come up a little bit. And the reason I curved it so much is I want to kind of make it look like this guy's swimming. Next, we'll make a little line that comes over. And I'll draw another little line that's going to come down. It's going to go over, and then this one's going to come right up here to this. Now, starting up here, kind of about the halfway point of our little face mask, we're going to make a little line that's going to go over. It's going to come down. Then we just want to jump over and bring it into here for the little pack. Now, starting up here, I want to make the fin for my little crewmate. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw a line that's going to curve back, and then it's going to start to come down. I'll make a little triangle. Then after you have that notch, you're just going to draw a little line that comes right down here to kind of finish off that fin. Next, we want to draw the tail. I'm going to start right here, and we're just going to draw a little line that's going to come down and a little line that's going to come up here. I'm going to draw a line that's going to curve up, and you can see I'm right below this fold here, and a line that's going to curve down. Next, we're just going to draw a line that's going to curve in to connect them. Now, starting here, I'm going to add a couple lines for the gills. So I'll put 1, 2, and then 3 little lines here for the gills of our Among Us Shark crewmate. Now, once I have this, then we can open this up. So I'm going to move this to the top, and I'm going to open this up. And now we have our little Among Us crewmate skin, but he's kind of cut in half. So what we have to do is we need to connect everything. So the first thing we want to do is we want to connect these 2 lines over here. So I'm going to begin by drawing a line down to here. And then we'll do the same thing here, just connect this line down. Now what I'm going to do is right here, where this line is touching the fold, I'm going to draw a line up. And I'm going to use the fold as a marking place. So I know that I don't want to draw anything below this fold or else I'm going to see it. Now it's a little bit harder up here. I have to take this line, and I'm going to draw this line down a little bit farther. And the reason I do that is because I want to make sure I don't draw anything up here or else I could see it when I have my paper folded. So the first thing I'm going to do is, starting here, I'm going to draw a line that comes right to about here. Then I'm going to take this line and I'm going to curve this line all the way down to here to make the mouth of my Among Us shark crewmate. Now, starting right here, let's add some little shark teeth in here. So I'm going to start right here by just making some little teeth in here. We're just going to make some nice pointy V shapes, and we're going to make them come all the way down to here. Then we'll put some nice little V-shaped triangles down here. Now, the fun thing right now is, so we have our basic, kind of crewmate skin. Then we can always add something else in here. I think it'd be fun if we added another little small crewmate kind of like swimming away or trying to get away. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw a line right here. I'm just going to draw a line that's going to curve around, and it's going to come back up. Then I'm going to draw a line that's going to come around, and it's going to come down here at a curve. I'm going to draw another line that's going to come down, and it's going to come up and over. We'll draw a little line here, and then another little line that's going to go up and then around to here. Starting here, I'm going to draw a little line that's going to go up, it's going to come down and then connect to here. And then I want to make some little hands like these swimming. So first I'm going to start right here, and I'm going to draw a little line that's going to come out, and it's going to come around. And another one that's going to come around here. Then we're going to make one that's going to go down, and it's going to come back around for one hand. Starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to go up and then down. Another one up and down here. And then one more here. Then we'll make a little line that's going to curve around. And we'll add another little line here for another finger. Then starting here, I'm just going to add a couple circles for some bubbles. And there you go. There is your drawing of an Among Us shark crewmate surprise fold. When we fold it up, we have our nice little shark skin right there. Then when we open it up, we see the big mouth, and he is about to eat another crewmate. But there you go. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.